What does the defrost cycle do? The defrost cycle melts away the ice and frost that builds up on the evaporator coils inside your refrigerator or freezer, so the appliance keeps running efficiently and keeps cooling the way it should. Think of the evaporator coils like a cold metal maze hidden behind the back wall of your freezer. As air moves over these coils to get chilled, moisture in that air sticks to the coils and turns into frost, kind of like how a cold glass of lemonade gets sweaty on a hot day. Over time, that frost builds up thicker and thicker, and if nothing stopped it, the frost would completely block airflow and your fridge would stop cooling properly. So every few hours, a small heater built into the freezer turns on for a short period and gently melts that frost away. The melted water drains down a tiny tube to a pan near the compressor, where the warmth of the compressor evaporates it. Something most people never realize is that this whole process is controlled by a timer or a sensor, and it only runs for a few minutes at a time, so your food never gets too warm. It is a quiet little cycle working in the background non-stop to keep your fridge running smoothly. One common mistake people make is assuming a puddle of water under the fridge means something is broken, when it is often just a clogged defrost drain tube, and the fix is usually as simple as clearing that tube with warm water. Another misconception is thinking constant frost buildup inside the freezer is normal, when it usually means the defrost heater, timer, or thermostat has failed and needs replacing. People also forget to check the door seals, since a weak seal lets in extra warm, moist air that overworks the defrost cycle and causes more ice than usual, so wiping down and inspecting the gasket regularly can save you a lot of trouble. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.